Hello everyone, welcome to Trending India Products. So today I'm gonna make an extension box, guys, by using this leftover plywood. So I've bought these switches, guys. Switches are 5 switches and 5 pin plugs and 1 fuse. So right now what I have to do is I have to cut these plywoods according to my requirement size. So by arranging like this, I have marked the lines, guys, to cut down this plywood. Now let's go for cutting process. Cutted these 2 pieces also, guys. So one I'm gonna keep over here like this, and other one I'm gonna keep like this. So this is the plan, guys. I have to paint it with touch wood, guys. So I'm gonna add it. Before doing that, we have to apply sandpaper on it. I'm already having this 120 paper in my home, leftover piece. Okay, guys, I've rubbed with sandpaper. So sorry, this is actually glossy paint, guys, which I bought. I tried to show you, but it fell down. Yeah, this I bought, guys. This is already there in my home, which is very less, up to here. So I bought this 200 ml cost around 70 rupees. Let me clean it and move to other place for the painting press. Cloth, dip it in the paint and apply it on the woods, guys. I have applied the wood polish on it, guys. We have to do second coating as well. So after that we can use it. Kept it for overnight for drying purpose. Now I am applying sandpaper on it. I have done the sandpaper work, guys. Now I need to apply this wood polish on it. I'm just using normal cloth, guys. Okay, guys, I have done the second coating. Now the time is 7:30 in the morning. I'll keep these pieces entire day, guys, until 5 p.m. See you directly in the evening. Okay, wood polish is completely dried up, guys. As you can see, I made a hole over here. My neighbors are doing some woodwork over there. I have done it for free. If you want, you can go to the nearest shops and do it for 10 or 20 bucks. Now I'll fix these screws. I fixed the screws on all the switches, guys. I have cut it like this, guys, short cables. Now I'm going to attach neutral to neutral, neutral to neutral, neutral to neutral, neutral to neutral. It is very easy, guys. As you can see, I have connected with all neutrals. Neutral to neutral, neutral to neutral, neutral to neutral. Only 2 3-pin plugs, guys. And this is actually indicator. For indicator, they have given 2 wires. Any of the wire we can connect. One we should connect to neutral, and one we should connect to live. Any of the wire we can connect to, so no need to check for any symbol. So now I am going to give to one of the neutral here. As you can see, I have connected all neutrals of 3-pin plugs with indicator. One wire I have connected. So now I am going to give earthing, guys, from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to. So as you can see, guys, I have given a earth connection now, from this pin to this pin, this pin to this pin, this pin to this pin, this pin to this pin. That's it. Next we have to give the live connection from the switch, guys. So as it is a switch, we have to give the connection from this point to this one. Live live connection from socket to switch has been given like this, guys. From live to this point, live to this point, live to this point, live to this point. That's it. So now we have to give the main live connection from the fuse. This is the fuse, by the way, from here to the lower point, lower screw of the switch, and this switch to here, this to here, this to here, this to here, and this we have to connect here itself. So indicator will always light up and we connect this to power. So the main live connection has been completed, guys. As you can see, this is fuse. From fuse, live connection to the switch lower portion, this switch to here, and this switch to here, this switch to here, this switch to here, and the indicator, one live connection has been given to this switch itself, and one neutral connection has been given to this 3-pin plug neutral connection. Everything is finished, guys. Now what we have to do is we have to connect the main wire live connection to here, fuse live connection to here, and earth to here, and neutral connection to here. Everything is fine, guys. Now we have to give the fuse to this one. For that I have taken a small piece from this wire. This I am going to add here. As you can see, like this I have given a fuse, so I'm going to put it back. Now I'm going to add plywood over here. Like this I will add the screws over here, guys. Fixed these screws, guys, over here. This box would be like this. Okay, guys, I got this 3-pin plug for 37 rupees, and also I bought this 3-core wire. This is actually 1.5 square mm, guys, and 1 meter cost around 35 rupees. As per my requirement, I need 5 meter wire, so got this wire. So now I am going to fix this wire to this one. So as you can see, I have cut these wires according to the size, guys. So I am following the color codes as it is, as per the universal guide. So for live, red I am going to use, for neutral, black color, and for the earth, green color I am going to use. Okay, guys, gave the connections. Now we have to double check. Live is for red, yes, and neutral is for black, and earth is for green. Yes, right. Connections are right, and I am going to close this one. Okay, as you can see, guys, this red color wire I have connected to the fuse, and from here the live connection goes on, and now this green is given in this plug to the earth, so I'm giving to the earth. Now we have to give the black to the black one, that is neutral, guys. Okay, as you can see, guys, it's working. Okay, guys, I fixed this with the glue, guys, and this side also. Now we have to fix this plate on the bottom, then we'll all set to go. This is how I have organized, guys. As you can see, gluing here completed, guys. Setup is completed, guys, with 5 meter wire. Especially why I did this, because there are a lot of extension boxes available in the market, but why I prefer to make myself is because my requirement is 5 meters of wire, so I haven't find 5 meters wire with the extension box. Total budget I'll show you here, guys, for this entire setup. Okay, now we will check the current, whether it is coming or not. I'm switching off. So we also have a fuse here. If we remove this fuse, as you can see, the light goes. So fuse is also working. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in other video.